Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shamir, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for joining me again today. So we are in Five Below, and most of the items that you're going to see today, I feel like can be used as Valentine's Day gifts or just gifts in general. But since Valentine's Day is coming up, why not look at some cool things like that neon sign for only 15 bucks. But you guys, one thing that really got me was this cold water plunge bath. I was like, Five Below, let me find out. At first glance, I was like, is this like a mini hot tub? And then it was like, no ma'am, it says cold water, okay? It's a plunge bath, and these types of things they recommend for like athletes and stuff like that, or people who just like to work out a lot and, you know, want to help their muscles. So yeah, I feel like that's a good deal for $20, okay? So really, you could think about these items as gifts for him or gifts for her for Valentine's Day, okay? Because, you know, sometimes we like to shake it up and do some little untraditional gifts. Of course, I'm going to show you all of the cute little hearts and candies and stuff, but I wanted to show you stuff like this first. And definitely check out that right there. It's like a Dyson Air Wrap dupe, okay? So just saying, if you've been thinking about getting a Dyson Air Wrap, you might want to check out this little item from Five Below first. I might have to actually review that because I've been hearing a lot of things about that Dyson Air Wrap. So anyway, let's move on to some of the more traditional Valentine's Day finds at Five Below, okay? So first up, I wanted to show you guys these small balloons like this because it just made me think of my loved ones. And if you've had any loved ones who passed away, these are perfect to put out for them, you know, in the little vase, if there's like a vase, or, you know, you can just put the little balloon in the ground at the site. So I definitely have some loved ones that I want to put little Valentine's Day balloons out for too, because, you know, gone but not forgotten. So I want to show them some love too. Now, there were some cute little shirts. This one, I was like, what is this? How cute is it? Little Betty Boop. Okay, I love the look of these little XOXO glasses. And you guys, this is a time to buy stuff like those glasses, okay? They even have the little Valentine's Day headbands. I'm telling you, just go ahead and get this stuff now, because I always find myself looking at these items and being like, oh, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna get some of that, you know, right before the day. I did that with the hats, like the Santa hats at Christmas time. And yes, when I was ready to get a hat, it was gone, okay? So get it while it's early, okay? They also had lots of fun little Valentines for your pets, okay? They had little cat toys for Valentine's Day, and some little rope toys for little dogs. I wasn't really sure what this was for. I actually have a cup that's red that looks just like that I got from Target, from like the little dollar spot section. But that one, I guess you could use it more like a little flower vase. That's kind of what it's looking like. Now they have these bags here. At first, you guys, I didn't realize that right above them it said $3. So I'm thinking that those bags were $3. I was actually looking for a price on them, but couldn't find one. And now here, you guys, okay, I try not to just say cute all throughout the video, but how stinking cute are these? Look at this. You guac my world, with a little guacamole and little candies in it. I was like, I'm so here for it, okay? And then this little dumpling. Oh, you're my dumpling. You guys, these are so cute. I feel like these would be great for, you know, if you have little ones who need to give something to their teacher or their little friends at school, and that, look, life's a party with you, and it's like a little disco ball. I love these. I thought they were so cute, so different. You don't always see those little items, and I feel like that's definitely a great Valentine's Day find, a great Five Below find, because it's just cute. I like it. So there's also lots of candy, some Reese's candies. And you guys, I want to know what's going on. I think it's this weekend. Yeah, Reese's is making some big announcement. Something's gonna change. Not sure what that's about, so let's, you know, we'll watch out for that. I love the little roses that you just saw, the little candy roses. I think that's just a nice little addition to, you know, put with a gift. They had the little sweet treats and stuff. You guys, These are like a Valentine's Day tradition, okay? So the little conversation hearts that have those cute little sayings and stuff on them. So I love those. And then they had Reese's and Hershey's little kits to where you can make like a brownie or a cookie. And I think these are cute too, because they're definitely good little DIY things that you can do with your kids, or even kind of like a little date night thing. Make some little desserts together, okay? Then, now this is where it's a good deal, okay? Because I don't know if you guys have been paying attention to the price of cards, okay? Greeting cards can get expensive, okay? And the fact that Five Below has these jumbo greeting cards for only $2, I'm here for it, okay? And I like the little variety that they had to choose from. Yeah, it's just a good deal for $2, especially for the size. And there were also lots of little plushies and things like that for Valentine's Day. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this quick look at what's in Five Below and these Five Below finds. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification so that you're notified whenever I upload a video, because plenty of videos are to come. We love shopping over here. So yeah, join the family, hit that notification bell, subscribe, make sure you comment. Let me know what your favorite thing was that you saw in the video today, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.